Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the pumpkins that I carved. So, these are the stuff that I needed to make one. I needed some pumpkins, a stencil, some LED candles, a little pumpkin carver, and a knife. Make sure to have a responsible adult with you, and a spoon. So this is what we did. First, we had to cut a little hole, and then we had to clean out the muck with a spoon, and then we had to put back on the cover, and then we put the stencil on. Tape it if you want to, so that it will be easier. And then we had to cut it out, and then these are the results. So there they are. So now let's put the candles in. Okay. See, the lights are changing because it's a color changing candle. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And please don't forget to keep on watching me. And shout out to my subscribers. I love you guys. Bye!